Hey guys, okay, so those of you who are loyal BTP fans would know that we typically post our Friday videos first thing on a Friday morning. So generally it's between like 5 or 6 a.m. in the morning. So those of you guys are probably sitting here right now going, Peter, it's like 11 o'clock, where's the video? Come on. Well, late last night, I actually received an email from a client, an email with a tip off about a tool that I thought you guys just desperately need to know about. Like it's totally going to complete your lives. Trust me, not really, but let's just roll with it. Anyway, so I thought, hey, why don't I bump this week's video and let's live life on the edge. Let's go live. Let's embrace Facebook Live. Yeah, we'll see what happens here, hey. So anyway, what am I going to talk about? Well, earlier this year, I posted a video on NALL, Natural Assets Local Laws, protected vegetation for short. Now, I told you that there was two different ways that you could actually work out whether there was protected vegetation on your property. The first way is to actually do a paid by map search. The second way is to contact council to ask the question and to wait forever for the results to come back. Well, guess what? There is now a third way, a much, much better way. So you simply go to the Brisbane City Council website and type in Protected Vegetation Inquiry. Now this will take you to an online form. Fill in the form, so enter the site address details, your contact details, and just like magic, you'll get a report back. Now the client that I spoke to said it took about 10 minutes for him to get those results back, which is super, super fast. So there you guys, a little tip for you guys this week. As I always say, until next time, thanks for watching.